This is the first drive of the BLAZER this year. Going on a little bit of a road trip, kind of sort of deal, almost an hour away. Actually gonna deliver some car parts, but I will be remaining. I will continue to practice my social distancing. Let's see if we can stay out of trouble. Back in the BLAZER again, finally. I have to say, driving this is a pleasure. It's nowhere near the nicest or cleanest or fastest vehicle out there, but I have invested so much time, I've become very attracted to it, strangely enough. I know many of you watching originally subscribed due to the BLAZER videos, so I understand that the type of content is the type of content you'd like to continue to see, and likely most of my other uploads are not of interest. Now, I don't have any immediate plans with the BLAZER other than routine maintenance, but I can assure you, plans are in the works for the future with this truck. I will shortly be revealing my long-term plans about the BLAZER and where I'll be aiming to go. There are many things that need to fall into place for this upcoming project to be successful, so stay tuned. So, nice successful adventure today. And I got some goodies too. That's a brake booster for a Chevette, master cylinder. Those are parts that are allowing me to have power brakes. And this beautiful piece of machinery here is it's a rear end from a Chevette, along with the torque tube and the bushing. Bushing's still decent too. This is from a 5-speed. I'm not sure what the ring and pinion gear are yet. However, it's probably not missing teeth like mine is, so that's already a good thing. I'm just going to get this stuff unloaded, put it in a safe spot, and that's for another day.